Namaha. Subhashitas or good sayings form the most beautiful part of Sanskrit language. In this beautiful collection of shlokas, we observe the use of avyas that are derived from dhatus. This Avyamala has a theme wherein each shloka contains some words which are avyas from dhatus. In last video we learned avyas and this Avyamala is the example of avyas. So let's start. Shrotum karno vaktumasyam suhasyam gratum granam padayugmam vihartum drashtum netre hastayugmam chadatum ध्यातुं चित्तं येन सुष्टं स पातु. अन्वयः. येन श्रोतुं कर्णौ वक्तुं सुहास्यं हास्यं घ्रातुं घ्राणं विहर्तुं पादयुग्मं द्रष्टुं नेत्रे दातुं हस्तयुग्मं ध्यातुं च चित्तं सुष्टं सः पातु. Here सः, it stands for the Lord. येन श्रोतुं कर्णौ. येन means who has given. Karno, two ears. Shrotu means to listen, to mantavya. 2 ears to hear. Vaktum asyam suhasyam. Vaktum, to speak. Asyam, mouth. Suhasyam, smiling. Smiling mouth, to speak. Ghratum ghranam. Ghratum, to smell. Ghranam, a nose. A nose, to smell. Ghratum, to mantavya. Padayugmam vihartum. Yugmam, a pair of feet, to move around. Vihartum, to mantavya, to move around. Drashtum netre. Netre, 2 eyes. Drashtum, to see. 2 eyes to see. Hastayugmam cha datum. Yugmam, a pair of hands to give. Datum, give, to mantavya. Dhyatum chittam. Dhyatum, to think. Chittam, a mind to think. Yena sustam sa patu. So may the Lord who has given all these things protect us, is given in this shloka. Means how the Creator is great. He has made this world. Let's see the English meaning. May He protect us who has created 2 ears to hear, smiling face to speak, a nose to smell, a pair of feet to move around, 2 eyes to see, a pair of hands to give, and a mind to think. Greatness of the creation of the Creator. Next shloka. Gunaha kurvanti dutatvam dure api vasatam satam ketaki gandham agraya swayam ayanti shatpadaha. Anvayah. Dure vasatam api satam गुणाः दूतत्वं कुर्वन्ति षट्पदः केतकी गंधम आघ्राय स्वयं आयान्ति. दूरे अपि वसतां सतां. दूरे अपि far away. Api means though far away. Vasatam living or reciting. Satam good peoples. Though the good peoples are living far away. Gunaha kurvanti dutatvam. Gunaha virtues. Kurvanti. Dutatvam, a messenger. Virtues become the messenger of the virtuous. How? See, just as Shatpadaha. Shatpadaha, the beads. Ketaki gandham agraya. How the beads, just having fragrance of ketki, themselves come to eat. Themselves come to eat. Means the bees are themselves come to eat to have the honey from the ketki flower. From the ketaki flower. See the meaning. Virtues become the messenger of the virtuous, though residing far away. Just as having smelled the fragrance of ketki, the bees themselves come to it. Virtues spread on their own. Next. भुक्त्वा तृणानि शुष्कानि पीत्वा तोयं जलाशयात् दुग्धं यच्छति लोकेभ्यो धेनवो लोकमातरः. धेनवः शुष्कानि तृणानि भुक्त्वा जलाशयात् तोयं पीत्वा लोकेभ्यः दुग्धं यच्छति लोकमातरः. See here is told about the cow. Bhuktva trunani shushkani. After eating tvantave. Bhuktva tvantave. After eating dry grass. Trunani grass. Shushkani dry. After eating the dry grass. Pitva to drink. After drinking toyam water. Jalashayat. Jalashayat means pond. After drinking water from the pond. Dugdham yachati lokebhyo. Gives the milk to the people. Dhenavo lokamatarah. So that's why we are telling the mother of the world. Cows who are indeed the mother of the world give milk to people after eating dry grass and drinking water from the pond. Great ones act for the welfare of others. Next. Akrutva parasantapam agatva khalamandiram anusrujyam satam vatma yat swalpamapi tadbahu. Parasantapam na krutva khalamandiram na gatva satam vatma cha usrujya yat swalpamapi tadbahu. Akrutva parasantapam. Akrutva parasantapam means what? Without akrutva, without troubling. Parasantapam, troubling. Akrutva tvantave. Without troubling others. Agatva khalamandiram. Agatva without going. Khalamandiram, khala means wicked. Mandir means house. Without going to the house of the wicked person. Anusrujya satam. Without leaving. Anusrujya, without leaving the good people's path. The good people's path. Without leaving the good people's path. Yat salpamapi tadbahu. Even the little which is obtained is worth much. Is worth much. Even the little which is obtained without troubling others, without going to the house of the wicked, without leaving up the good path is worth much. All that is done in a good manner is valuable. All that is done in a good manner means what? Whatever we are doing. And if you are getting little, so we are satisfied in that because we are doing the work in a good manner. So students, the next shlokas we will see in next video. Till that, you have to learn all these shlokas by heart, do the writing practice, and even learn the English meanings also. Dhanyavadah.